Ooh. Right, so welcome back to the channel, and today, as you've seen in the last video, a lot of you probably already guessed what it was. For those of you that did guess, I hope nobody's seen those comments because it's kind of giving it away now. But if I flip the camera over just now, you will see that within this package right here, I don't really care about the address because it's my work's address, so that's fine. We have got ourselves a throttle spacer. As you can see down here, the throttle, I don't know if you can see, yeah, it kind of sits lower than the brake pedal and the clutch pedal itself. So basically what this does, it just brings it up. You undo it with, I think it's got 30mm bolts. You get yourself a ratchet. It's the 13mm bolts here. It just literally slots in and behind the throttle. You have to take it all out, and there's a bit up underneath where you put it in. Don't worry, I will tell you all as I go along. I'm not going to be doing it just for the sake of it. Relatively easy to fit. I've got myself me ratchet, my 30mm socket, and a little extension just in case I did need it. That's all there. Also, it comes with instructions. Now, the pretty cool thing about it is it's 3D printed, and it is absolutely solid. It is so rigid. But yeah, that's the company there, Distinct Designs. If you want to buy one for yourself, I will leave the website on screen right now, and it will be in the description down below. I have got a discount code for these, which gives you 10% off. It is just L19 BOU. That will be in the description down below as well if you want to get yourself one of these. I don't know if you probably will be able to do them in separate colours if you want them different colours or anything like that, or different designs maybe. Just give them a message. I'll pop it all in the description down below. But for now, let's get on to the installation video and see how well this actually works. Right guys, so as you can see under here where the throttle is, there's one of the bolts, and then the other bolt is up there. So they're both 13mm bolts. The spacer itself sits behind this. I'll go with you step by step what I do. Just ensure that when you do take, and by the looks of it, I think I've fucked up and I haven't got a long enough socket already just by looking at it. I hope to God I have. Otherwise I ain't doing nothing today. By the looks of it, I have not got a long enough socket. So that's that out of the question already. That's not being done today. Right lads, we've got a longer socket, so don't worry, I've got a longer 30mm socket, and I've got another extension because you are going to need a hell of a long extension. I just tried using this one, was not long enough, so make sure you get a long enough extension and get yourself a long 13mm socket. So that's all good, ready to go. I'm going to get the camera, I'm going to get it all set up now. Just make sure you keep like how with the tight the actual nut is on here for when you're doing it back up, because you don't want to be rounding it off. Right lads, I've scrapped the idea of putting it on a flipping mount and just doing it because it's just no point. You can't really see a lot what's going on. So there's the first bolt here. It is actually really quite tight, so I might need both hands. Right, screw it. I'm just going to put it down quickly over here. I don't know if you can see me still or not. Hopefully you can. There you go, and it comes off. So it is quite tight, not gonna lie. So that's the first one. I'm just loosening them up a little bit. Christ. So it starts doing that basically. This probably has to be like the easiest tutorial you could actually do. It's just 2 bolts, whack a spacer in, and you're all good to go. Be a hell of a thread on it there. Right, so that's the first bolt out. I'm up there. Loose as a bloody goose, you see. And then you've got the bolt up here, which I could probably undo with my hand. No, maybe not. So get back up here with the ratchet. I am trying to film and do this at the same time. Oh, that's gone loose now, so hopefully, yeah, right. So there you go. Two of those bolts are out. This should be fucking absolutely floppy as anything now. Loving it. Look how good that is. So basically, the spacer itself goes up in there. I can't remember which way it's supposed to go, because it gives you like new extended bolts and everything. So you don't even need these bolts down here anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly take this all apart, figure out which way it actually goes on, and I'll be back with you guys. Right, so it's all confused me a little bit. Right, that's the old bolts. This is the new ones here. They come with washers, and you've got 2. That's just 2 like screws, or bolts, yeah. And then these are 2 like nuts itself right here, really long ones. Basically, it goes in like that. So Distinct Designs So it'll go the longest side to the right and then the curved bit to the left, like so. So that bit should just pop on over the holes like that. It's not going to fit in perfect, but this is where I'm pretty sure this is where you get the flipping. This is where they just sit in, like not that much, just do them up a little bit on either side, get both of them, pop it in the top, do them up a little bit, like so it's in like that, and then I think you can literally put it on and get these bolts on with the ones with the washers on. So I'm going to set the camera up down here, because otherwise it's just a pain in the ass doing it. Right, so what I'm going to do is get the new bolts and then pop them up here, and then they should just screw it in, I'm guessing, like so. I hope to God I'm doing everything right here. So this bolt up here is going to be a bit more trickier to get to, just because of where it is. As long as I can just get a catch on the thread. Just catch, please catch. Right, it's not catching. Oh, that's going right around it, I think. So where's the thread? Have I caught it? I think I've caught it. Lovely, right. Right, screw it. Doing it all one-handed, because why not? Bugger it. Just gonna do them all up. And then hopefully I can do this one as well. This is going to be an absolute nightmare. Both going a bit tighter now. Hopefully all I have to do is literally just tighten it up. I'm not going too tight, just do them up so they feel about the same on either side, and then you can start doing them a bit tighter. Now is that where that's supposed to be? And so yeah, that's it, all done, all tightened up. Sorry I didn't show you that much footage there of me tightening it up. My stepdad came out, but that's what it actually looks like. It is up there. You could just about see it. There it is, there's a spacer. As you can see, the pedals line up a lot more nicely now, so you give it that heel toe action going on. It should feel a lot better when you're obviously like accelerating, braking and clutching. All your pedals are lined up, it's all good. So let's go give it a drive and you can get my reaction, and I'll probably end off the video right there. That's a pretty simple install though. So yeah, I'm glad with that, I'm happy. Let's see how it is. Alright, there we go, all good. Let's go, got the mount all set up, everything's ready to go. I'm gonna be used to this, because obviously now when you press your pedal, when you used to press the pedal down, it used to feel like you pressed it all the way to the floor, but you kind of like half that distance now. So hopefully it should feel like a bit more comfortable and a lot easier to drive. So yeah, you can definitely tell it straight away. The throttle is literally just there. It feels so weird driving it when you're like, that's a lot better already, like just from clutch control, getting off like a hill start or something like that. It's a lot easier on your hill. It's a lot easier to put your foot down as well now. Shout out to the police, it's not my fault, police, if I end up flooring it, because I'm not used to this at the minute. But yeah, definitely feels way better than what it does. All the crap in the back of my car's an absolute mess at the minute. I've got rattle cans rattling around, I've got all sorts of crap going on. So yeah, it definitely feels a lot more responsive. Yeah, well, it's not more responsive, but it's just better having it further way up, because obviously heel to toe, yeah, way better. Going through the gears, everything. Just honestly, go get yourself one of these throttle spacers, make life so much easier. You're gonna love it, and make sure you use discount code L19 BOU. So I'm gonna wrap this video up here, guys. I need to go get some fuel now anyway. If you've enjoyed this install video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more things like this being sent out to me to install or something like that, or review, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be more than happy to do some more if I get sent some more stuff. I'll try and see if he might do a giveaway for one. He might do, I'm not too sure, but I'm sure he'll be watching this video anyway. So shout out to you, mate, for, I can't remember your name now, I've got so many messages from people who watch my YouTube, but shout out to this guy from Distinct Designs, absolute legend. And yeah, I really appreciate him sending this out to me, it means a lot. But yeah, if any of you guys want to send me anything as well, I will try and, you know, I will do my best to make a video on it and install it if I can. Like this was new to me, I didn't really know what to do, but yeah, hopefully even just video, guys. If you have, make sure you give it a thumbs up and just subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to be notified every single time I upload, and check out all my social media. If you want to get in contact with me, it's easy as that. Love you guys as always, I'll see you on the next video, bye bye for now.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame.